Hi everyone, I'm Annie here and come back to show you another tutorial for this vintage and shabby chic lace flower. And yeah, this is very simple to make because what you need to do is just running stitch. Okay, I'll show you this one. Okay, now I'll show you how to make this one. And yeah, for the running stitch. Okay, so yeah, for this flower, because we will have 2 layers, and say this is the first layer and this is the second layer. So yeah, if you want your flower, the first layer first layer is wider, so you have to stitch lower. If you want this short, you have stitch higher. Okay, just tie the knot, make sure it's tight, and just do the running stitch, go through your lace. Okay, and now save time, and I already do until here, and tie the stitch, find the where you start and the end, and pull your flower. If you want bigger, also you make looser. Okay, so you tie the knot, and so you get this, get the lace flower, and this is the first layer, so you have to make it nicely, okay, and put your glue, use the hot glue to glue your flower center. And for the kit, you will receive 2 different, and I already forget which flower I put. I believe I put this to the pink, but yeah, actually this one is a white color. The original is white color, and I also have the cream. Most of you receive the cream, but you already run out the cream, so I use the white color and coffee dye. And I love the way how it turned out. You can see the edges, it looks vintage. Oh, thunder. So yeah, I use this for the vintage flower. Okay, and yeah, for the flower, the 2 flower also, yeah, do the running stitch and glue them together. Glue this, and this one for the vintage one, you will receive this lace tassel, and I already make for you. But what you need to do is just you put in the beads, and I use this 0.7 hook, crochet hook, to go through the bead and pull the lace out. Okay, so yeah, easy for you. So this is how this look like. And this one also, you receive this set here, and yeah, you what you need to do is just use your glue to glue this bead, beaded twine to get on top here, make it look more shabby chic and pretty. So like so. So also do the running stitch and glue them together, and add this back. And the back here, I didn't. You can cut the fabric or the felt to cover the this part. But if you use this for your fabric book, yeah, it doesn't matter. And you also can use all these to your wall hanging. Pretty flower. And yeah, for this one, cause I believe this for the pink one, you will receive this, I believe it's this size, yeah, but if this one, you will receive, I believe I've already forget the measurement. Oh, loud. So yeah, you got this if like that. So if you want your flower the gather is whiter, so you just fold it by 3 in 3 for one side, and so you will have this white about 2 inches, and you running stage, so you will get the big gathered flower. If you want smaller, so you just have to fold it about 1 inch, so you will get the small gathered flower. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This is very simple and easy to make lace flower, and turn out is pretty, and I really hope you all like this. And yeah, please leave me a comment and let me know what do you all think, and if you like this, and please give me a big thumbs up. Okay, and I will come back to show you another tutorial, and thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.